Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be reviewing these Airpods Pro replicas version 2 by fairpods.com. Now before the video starts, I will tell you guys, if you want to get the exact same pair as the one in the video, Fairpods is the place to get them. This pair was from them. Now let's get started with unboxing. Looking at the box, it's the same exact as the original Apple box. There's absolutely no differences. You see the Airpods Pro writing, exactly the same logo, same Apple logo there, and there's the classical Apple writing, very similar. I can't see any difference actually. Same here too, and they're actually put in plastic, so basically identical. I don't see a difference at all. I see just some ship here. It's just the shipping. It's nothing wrong with them. They feel heavy, so I can tell it's a quality pair actually just from here. Let me cut back to you guys when I've opened this plastic so we can get right on to the unboxing. Now we're getting the satisfying part that everyone likes, right? Is getting these open here, just like that. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. I don't know. Let's see if we can do that. If that's easier. Yeah, that's way easier. I'm doing it all wrong. So yeah, there goes the plastic wrapping. Like that. Whoa, now we have the box. Alright, now we come to Apple boxes. They take ages to open. That's just a, also I will say, that's a good indicator that they are actually good quality, because that's how original AirPods are. Alright. So, open it up. We're greeted by the designed by Apple in California writing. Let's take that out. Oh wow, there they are. Let's open this up. AirPod instructions, Airpods Pro. Yeah, exactly as the originals. Basically same instructions. These maybe in different languages, I'm not sure. But yeah, we have these at least. We have more of them. I don't really care about this stuff, to be honest. I just want to get the exact pair. Yeah, same thing. Here we have them. Have I opened some of this? No, they're like that. Whoa, guys. Check these out. Now these are Airpods Pro replicas. I can already see from here that they have the writing. So, I'm gonna cut back to you guys when I've opened this up, so we can look at the exact pair. Alright guys, so after a lot of hard work, no I'm just kidding, after a lot of hard work I've actually opened these up, but let's just put them to the side and continue with the unboxing, and we're gonna check back on them later. Let's take this out. Yeah, here we have the ear chips. Oh yeah, two just fell out, but yeah, these are ear chips on different sizes. Yeah, there's one more. Okay, now they're everywhere. They're actually four. They're just falling out, I don't know why. But yeah, exactly like the originals, we have four ear chips, so they can fit your size of your ears. Now, if we take this out, we have the charging cable, like the originals. Let me see. Alright, this is a Type-C to Lightning, which I actually like and enjoy very much. Yeah, that's it for a box. Very simple. In my opinion, let's head out to the pods themselves now. Alright guys, so now we're zoomed in for the details of the pods, right? Now, just a quick note on these ear chips. I actually found them to be a very similar size. So if you have really different ears, I don't think that there will be much of a difference. So yeah, I just expect them as 4 pairs, to be honest. They're not really very big difference in size on these. But let's start with actually opening the AirPods themselves. Looking at the box, exactly the same as the originals. Same Apple writing, same font, same button, everything is exactly the same. Nothing more to comment on it. Opening it up, you can see the Apple writing right there. Yeah, same Apple writing. Taking them out right now. See if I can get, oh yeah. So right, so these are the pods themselves. Now just a quick mention, these are actually the version 2. So they have the real charging port, the white charging port, which many of the fakes don't have, and these replicas actually have them. Many, like, few places have this update version, and Fairpods one of them. So that's another reason to get them from them. But looking at the pods, they're very similar to the originals actually. This is a sticker, or it feels like a sticker. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that in the originals, but it feels very good nevertheless. This is also a sticker, to be honest. Yeah, this is also a sticker. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but it's also looks very good. Looks exactly the same. No one's gonna point it out just because of this, and I barely think that it plays any part of on how good they are in sound. I think it's pretty much the same. It's just like small details, but the charging port, which is the biggest problem with the fakes, they've actually fixed them, and they look very close to the originals. Yeah, so very good looking actually. The ear chips are a bit smaller than originals, but that's really not a problem. I'm gonna see how they fit, but I've heard in other reviews that they fit really good. So I'm looking forward to see that. And lightning charging port. So yeah, my opinion on these, they're actually really good. They're really close to originals, and they feel really good in hand. Just a fact is that pros actually have less snappier case than the Gen 2 AirPods, but that's on the originals too, so it's not an issue. So now I'm gonna test the audio for these guys, and I'm gonna show you the pairing. All right, let's put them back in the case though. Alright guys, so for this part I'm gonna show you the pairing process, and I'm gonna show you how similar these are to the originals. Now if we put the... oh, that's my camera moved a bit. Now if we open this right up, I don't know if you can see it on camera, it says not your Airpods Pro, and it shows the AirPods. Then click connect, it asks you for hitting the button on the back. Let's see what happens now. Oh wow, they're connecting, dude. They're connecting. Oh, they're actually the same process as the originals. It shows you how to use them. Really cool. And I don't know how they managed to actually copy to this level, but they've come far. I can't lie. Just telling me a bunch of instructions, I guess, on how to use them and specifications. Alright, so real battery indicator says that the pods are 100%, which is logical because they're put in the case for like the time that they've been shipping. Oh, I accidentally removed that, and it actually shows the case, and it was at 40%. Now let's see if these actually have the GPS and the rename functions. Oh wow, we go in here, we go to Bluetooth, and where are they? Oh, they show us the Airpods Pro. Oh my god, they actually mimic this so good. You can change the name exactly like the originals. Look, you can change the name to whatever you want. But I'm gonna just type something weird, and yeah, I have to put in my ears to try these. But yeah, they have them. They have the transparency and the noise cancellation. But I'm pretty sure that these don't work on this version that I have at the moment. Oh, I've actually disconnected them. Yeah, let me try to reconnect them again. Alright guys, so now I'm in this menu again. Same thing here. I just actually accidentally disconnect them, so I had to reconnect them. But anyways, we go here. We can change what the buds do. Noise control, Siri. We have the ear fit test. Now I don't know if this is gonna work because these aren't original. Yeah, I have to put them in my ears, but it's actually there, the function, and automatic ear detection, and yeah, microphone. So they have the same menu as the originals. Now I don't want to go into Find My iPhone because you can see my location, but they have locating services, so you can actually go into Find My iPhone and find them, and they can make the sound. So they're exactly as the originals on that part too. So software wise, they're on the exact same level, and hardware wise, they're almost exactly the same. Yeah, they're pretty much the same level. No one's gonna notice that these are clones. These are that good. Now guys, I'm gonna use these for maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, and I'm gonna come back to you guys with what I think about them and my opinion. Alright guys, so after using this pair of Airpods Pro clones for maybe 1-2 hours now, I've got the results. Now, first let's start with the positives. Sound quality is actually really good. There's very good isolation, passive noise cancellation it's called. There's really good isolation, so you can't hear any background noise, almost any background noise. And the music plays really loud, really good sound, with also some bass to it, and yeah, bass pretty okay too. So sound wise, I think they're completely fine, and yeah, they worked as they should. One time where only one AirPod played, but then I just charged them and they work normally as they should, no problems at all. Yeah, so functionality wise they work very good. I've only to the downsides, there's only one thing. You see what these AirPod Pros, it's so they have these ear tips, so they make pressure in your ear or in your head. They kind of generate some pressure because your ears are completely closed. So in original AirPods there is a hole here which actually normalizes the pressure, but in these fakes there is no hole here, so there is no vents, so it's kind of pressurized in your head. So I would recommend like maybe listening with these for maybe too long, maybe 1 hour, so it's too much. You use them maybe for about some minutes something. So yeah, that's the only negative side, but if you don't really care about that, then yeah, I don't see why you shouldn't get them, because sound quality is very good, they look almost the same, and yeah, that's what you care about, the clone, right? So yeah, functionality, they were good. Quality wise, they're decent. Obviously not at Apple in Swedish we call it nivå, but it's not at Apple level yet, but for a price, what you're paying for this, it's not bad actually. So would I recommend this? I would absolutely recommend these. And yeah, that's honestly if you don't care about the pressure thing, and it's vlog clones, I think. So with all that said guys, I hope that you like this video. If you want to cop this exact same pair, link is gonna be in the description down below. With all that said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to see more, and peace.